The crew is here. We're on the boat. Even Dan back there.
Yo.
And of course, as soon as we got on the boat, the wind has picked up to absurd amounts of wind.
Ridiculous.
Ridiculous. We have made it out here to the reef. It is crystal clear blue. We are in 20 feet of water. It's super windy, and we put a chum bag out, and we got some ballyhoo showing up. Thank gosh they showed up. Put a little piece of chum on there. Oh boy, here we go. I might catch a seagull. That would be a debacle. Yeah, I think they're staying deeper. How do we always pick the waviest days to go fishing? Been looking forward to this day all week.
I know, me too.
Update. We were getting beat up a little bit, and then the pigeons came in, or the seagulls, whatever you want to call them. They're the little rats with their little wings. And they were keeping the ballyhoo down, and then the ballyhoo disappeared. So we left the patch reefs, and we came inshore. Land is right there. We are very close to land, and we are only in 10 feet of water. Oh, you got a fish? All right, bring him in. A grouper. Holy shit. I'm on. Oh, mine came up. All right, first little fish.
First fish of the day. Just kidding, he's kind of ugly.
He's not ugly.
Oh, he's not bad.
Cute.
I got a fish on. Snapper. Oh, yeah. Snapper.
Hey, this is happening. Nice little patch reef fishing here. Awesome.
If only he was a little bit bigger. Hey, we finally found something that eats pinfish.
Yeah.
Mangrove snapper, a beautiful one, a beautiful one. I got a fish messing with me.
I got one.
Madison's on. Got a mangrove snapper. Reeled him up to the tip.
I didn't mean to do that.
Oh! I got a bite. I thought I had something. It hit good, and then now it feels not. Oh, no, I still got him. It's a grunt. Look at that little grunt. You know, the nice thing about using pinfish as bait is it stays on the hook. Dan, did you want this, or should I keep him for now?
Keep him. Why not? Yeah.
That snapper can go back.
We'll use cut bait.
Nice. Look at that. We're putting some fish on the boat. You got a fish on there? Hey, hey, a bigger yellowtail.
White teeth.
Hey, a couple more inches, he'd be a keeper.
That's what she said.
Nice, Dan. I got one too. Oh, I got another grunt. Kind of deep. There was another, that's what she said, opportunity there. Dan, you could have been a dentist. Look at this. Oh, nice. Nice yellowtail. Oh.
I should have known better. Watch out.
Deja vu. Hold him out for the. There we go. Pretty boy, pretty boy. Oh,
That's three.
oh my. Oh, I got a fish.
All right, that's a good one.
Yeah. Ooh.
Nice one. Almost.
Hey, whoa, different species.
What is that?
A margate or wait, no, what is that?
What is that? Huh. He's got a big eye.
Is that a black margate, but a small one?
Maybe it is, yeah. It almost looks like a snapper, but it's got that big eye.
Swim free. Oh, oops, I did not mean to do that. I meant to gently release him and he flew out of my hand. Oh! Oh! Yeah! This is gonna be the mother of all grunts, I bet. Biggest grunt the world has ever seen. Oh, he took a little drag. Oh, it's a yellowtail. They are getting chubbier.
In some social circles, that might be a keeper.
Stop.
In some social circles, this is a keeper.
Well, you know what I mean.
I know exactly what you mean. Oh, man. No, that doesn't look like.
We're gonna
No.
knock the Midwest out of you yet.
Oh! He got away.
Let's go put it in.
You think it'd be worth it?
That's a good one. I mean, hey, if there's something big out there.
The fish might be winning this battle, Dan.
I'm in a battle.
You're in a battle?
I'm in a battle.
Oh! I got the gaff ready. Oh, I see him. Is that an eel? Dan, you caught an eel.
You're kidding me. That's what this has been about? A big, disgusting moray eel. How dare you? Wow.
Oh, wow. Wow is right.
Wow, what a... No turn I've ever. Look at the turns you make.
Wouldn't you like
That
to
looks
know?
like you. No, not really. No. No, a big green thing like that? Nope. Don't want to know at all. I don't know. I guess we're just going to have to cut it as close as we can and wish for the best.
Ew.
Well, now we know. He's a nasty looking dude. He's got more.
Oh.
There, he just cut it off again.
That's probably the best thing.
So they must be our best thing. Thanks, dude. It's okay, man. We're good.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Every time.
On the grouper rig.
That's what it's been, on the grouper rig. So now we know the grouper rig also gets moray eels. Just, you know, if you guys are in the mood for catching a moray eel, that's the way to do it.
On the grouper rig.
So you can buy the boat. You get 5 free grouper rigs when you buy the boat. And then you'll be able to catch a moray eel.
If you buy the boat, I'll give you 100 free grouper rigs. Yeah, that's your third grouper today. She's a grouper fisher.
A grouper fish.
You're a grouper.
I'm learning, guys.
Go on, unhook him.
I'm trying. I'm working on my sea legs today.
Nice grouper.
And then
You're gonna kill the poor thing.
you're gonna suffocate him to death.
Am I grabbing him too hard?
Grab him closer up to his head so his head doesn't bend with him.
I've been demoted to cameraman, have you noticed? Oh, and guess what?
And it's a little
No
fin.
fish is safe.
It's a little fin down there.
Nope. Okay, I'm sorry.
All right. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh, you wanted. I'm sorry. I'll come back.
It's all good. We were supposed to get a close-up of that fish. It's all good. We've already caught 3 of them. You've caught 3 of them. Oh, what a day. Windy day, but a fun day. We are back at the dock and we're gonna do a little grunt deep fry. But check out all my grunts. They're like my little prisoners. I'll leave them on ice, so I'll probably be cooking them up tomorrow. Here is our pile of grunts. They have been on ice for about 24 hours and they smell so fresh and delicious. And one of the reasons that I decided to catch these smaller size grunts, or to keep them, is because I was at the Cigar Lounge a couple weeks ago, and there's an old timer here that grew up in the Florida Keys, and he said one of his favorite dishes growing up was fried grunts and grits. But he told me that the secret was the grunts have to be smaller. He said, not much bigger than that. So some of these are very small, and some of them are a little bit bigger than what he was saying. But I do have, like, this guy seems to be the perfect size. He said it's the small ones that are the best because you can kind of eat the bones, eat the tail. You can just basically eat the whole thing. Let's put a big chunk of butter. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put this whole chunk of butter right into this cast iron skillet. We will be using cornmeal and then a combination of garlic and onion, South Florida Fishing Channel fish and game seasoning, the garlic and onion, the sweet heat, and then a dash of the Reaper for some spice. You can support my videos, support the channel by going over to southfloridafishingchannel.com and getting yourself some of my spices. They are blended here in Florida and shipped out of Florida. It's all Florida, baby. You know how we do it. The Reaper. This stuff is pretty spicy, so I would not go overboard with the Reaper, but I am a big fan of spice, so you know me, I'm gonna go overboard. And that, ladies and gentlemen, are some seasoned grunts ready for some butter frying. it looks kind of like we're gonna need more butter in here. But nonetheless, it looks amazing. Tails of the grunts are kind of like sticking up, except the little grunt. This little tiny one here is laying perfectly flat. The smallest grunt is cooking better than the others. I wonder if that has anything to do with the old timer's secret, but we're gonna flip them. The breading isn't staying on the fish. Well, yeah, okay. I think it's doing okay. I think that these grunts are perfectly cooked. Let's check them out. Oh, yep. Nice crispy and brown. Those are some crispy looking grunts. I'm here for it. I'm here for it all day, baby. Let's give it a try. The second batch of grunts may have, they came out a lot crispier. Again, some people might consider that slightly burnt. We're gonna find out what's better, because the first batch are golden brown, probably what you would expect, but can you eat the bones off of them? This is the smallest grunt. Let's give it a try. That is seasoned to perfection. All right, now we're at, that was the tail. Now we're at the bones. Let's see. The meat just sucks right off the bones. Look. You see those big spines on the top? These guys right here, those are the things that'll poke you. Those, I'm not able to touch. You could probably chew through them, but maybe next time I'll take a scissor and I'll cut all the spines off of the grunt. But I will just quickly pull those off. There we go. I just pulled all the spines off. And we are back. Let's see how easily I can just suck all the meat off of this guy.
What?
That right there was our smallest grunt. No meat wasted at all. This right here is the stomach area and the bottom fins, the dorsal fins. Let's see if we can eat that. Yeah, that was absolutely delicious. Now let's take one of our extra crispy, slightly bigger grunts. See, I kind of like that extra crisp. Ooh, it's still hot. All right, so even though this grunt is bigger, I was able to chew through that big top fin there. It seems like the more you fry it, the easier it's gonna be to chew through the bones. So I bet if you had a bunch of really small grunts like the first one and you really fried it good, you could probably